for a good residential school is growing these days because of the hectic lifestyle of young parents. So we come into picture in sharing the responsibility of bringing up good citizens for the society. And it's a pleasure to invite children from families who share the passion for quality education. The all-round development of the child is ensured in a residential school because it is he or she is under the care of educated teachers who are capable of responding to the emotional needs of the child also. It's all the more important because they are all born into small families these days where they live away from grandparents, uncles or aunts. So that is where a residential school takes over. It's definitely not examination oriented or subject oriented. It is all child oriented. So sometimes there is what we call the emergent curriculum, which emerges out of a child's interest in the classroom. We have the STEM lab set up for learning science, again hands-on. All the experiments are related to the content in their Cambridge science books. So that starts from class 6 to class 10. And we have the Math Genius program, and then we have the language lab where they have the spell bee and the debates. Tumkur is surrounded by small hills like Basdi Hills, Devrai, Durga, Shivgange, which have spiritual vibration also. So that is the unseen advantage for the children. As the years go by, we visualize a society where a human being is respected not for his academic excellence, but because he is an excellent human being. And that would be our contribution to the society.